Within the sterile confines of modern automated facilities, raw materials undergo a remarkable metamorphosis to become the highly advanced smartphones we rely on daily. This intricate journey begins with pure aluminum alloys, high-grade titanium, and high-purity silicon, each carefully inspected and verified for exceptional structural integrity. Advanced high-pressure water jets and industrial CNC milling machines sculpt these metal blocks, carving out the complex inner cavities of the phone frame with absolute micrometer precision. Meanwhile, in sterile, temperature-controlled clean rooms, fast robotic systems assemble the central printed circuit board. Thousands of microscopic resistors, capacitors, and microprocessors are positioned onto the circuit board using precise micro nozzles before moving through infrared reflow ovens to solidify the solder connections into durable, high-speed electronic pathways.
Following this stage, the advanced high-resolution glass screens are meticulously bonded to the sculpted frames using aerospace-grade industrial adhesives, forming a completely seamless and water-resistant physical seal. Automated optical laser sensors carefully inspect every microscopic connection, ensuring absolute structural and electronic perfection under intense, high-speed strobe lights before the devices receive their final protective oleophobic coatings. Immediately after successfully passing rigorous diagnostic, software, and functional quality tests, the completed premium smartphones are laser engraved with the distinctive branding logo details and carefully nestled into the eco-friendly custom cardboard packaging. These sleek, pristine white boxes are stacked, secured, and loaded onto automated robotic transport systems, ready to instantly connect millions of hardworking people across the vast, interconnected globe. In conclusion, modern industrial manufacturing beautifully and effortlessly bridges the gap between raw natural metals and pocket-sized electronic supercomputers through precise, highly automated execution. Explore more fascinating engineering marvels by subscribing to our channel and sharing your valuable personal thoughts on this complex, highly advanced production process in the comment section down below.